Today I am going to talk with you about one of newest technology introduced by Israel agricultural company called Bloom X. You know, in agriculture, to increase the productivity and efficiency, the irrigation, fertilization, pest management are one of main area you have to focus. But the pollination is also one of main area, but farmers are not much focusing or not much considering. So the Bloom X have identified this issue and they have come up with one of new technology to increase the pollination percentage in your field or agricultural land. The natural way of pollination is, we know that we have to use the natural insects like bees. They are the insects who are making pollinating naturally. But with this Blue Mix new product or artificial intelligence powered technology, they have come up with bio mimicking solution to replicate or replace the natural pollinator. So according to the Bloom X, they have reported that the yield can increase up to 30% we are using of this new technology. So this is one of new technology introduced by the Israel tech company, so that will be a good solution in future to face the pollination problem currently farmers are facing, especially Europe and America. They are facing huge difficulties finding the natural bees to increase their pollinations. And this with this the Blue Mix solutions, we can answer the problem, the drawbacks facing by the farmers in most of Europe and America. So it will help farmers to increase their pollination percentage and increase the productivity of the farmland. This is one of new product introduced by the Blue Mix. With that, we conclude our today video and hope to meet you with new agri news video in short. Thank you.